This is the tent series Abisko Endurance. Abisko Endurance is our largest tunnel tent series. It has a great weight to space ratio. This means that you carry very few grams and you get a lot of space for what you carry. We call it Abisko Endurance because of two things. First of all, the inner tent, which is here, has a very high ceiling, which gives you a great space to really live inside the tent if you're forced to stay inside during bad weather. In the apps part, which is all of this space, you have all the space you need for gear, even cooking if the weather is really bad. So if we go inside the apps, I can show you how roomy it is. So as you see, here inside the apps, we really have a great space. Even if we have several big backpacks like this, we still have space left to move around, to put your boots, or even to cook during bad weather. And here in the apps, you also see that we have big ventilations placed high, and this gives you a wonderful airflow throughout the night. And we also have a dry line in the roof, where you can either dry things or hang a lantern. We can also take a look inside the inner tent. So, as you can see, inside the inner tent, we also have lots of space to move around. We have good headroom as well. In the roof, there is also a dry line for a lamp or for drying things. And we have one set of mesh pockets per person. Right now, we're sitting in the Abisko Endurance 2, which is for 2 people. We also have a version for 3 people, which is wider, but with the same features. And then we have a version for 4 people as well. So as you see here inside the 4-man version, the app space is really huge with room for anything you want. But the basic features are the same as in the 2 and the 3-man, with the dry line in the roof, the ventilation, and the door on the one side. What makes the 4-man version special is second apps. So as you can see, the inner tent is huge as well, with double dry lines in the roof, and again, one set of mesh pockets for every person. And in the rear end, we have the second door, which leads us to the second apps. And inside the second apps, you have again more space to store your things and move around, and it also has the second fly sheet door. So when you're 4 people inside the tent, you can have several entry and exit points so that you don't have to climb over each other when you want to get in and out during the night. The Abisko Endurance tent series, available in sizes 2, 3 and 4, is a great tent for you if you're looking for lots of space for both you and your gear.